All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So anyway. Anyway. To confirm a point or an idea just mentioned. I will go there anyway. She will see me anyway. Yeah. I will do it anyway. I will do it anyway. I have some ideas for videos that I want to record, so I will do them anyway. I have some ideas. I will record them anyway. Some ideas. I will record them anyway. Doesn't matter. They'll be done regardless. I'll do them. I'll do these and a few others. Yeah. I will go there anyway. I'll go there anyway. I'm going that direction, so I'll go and see him anyway. They'll see her anyway. They will see her anyway, so you can give it to them. So they will see her anyway, so you can give it to them, and they'll see her and give it to her. Anyway, it will happen. It will happen, yeah. I have a lot of videos to record, and anyway, over time, they will all be recorded. Anyway, today, tomorrow, they will be recorded. How cool is that? He will go to Mexico anyway. She will not be here anyway. She will not be here anyway, so don't worry. It will work anyway. Yeah, so just start it now. No matter how, it will work, it will function. Just start now. They should go there and see and talk to her anyway. They should go there and talk to her anyway, regardless. Confirming the point. It should happen. It should happen. It's just a question of when or how. She went with me anyway in the end. See, I'm going to go there. She might or might not come with me. But in the end, she came with me anyway. I will go there anyway, and she came with me. I will go there anyway, and yet she came with me. How cool is that? I think it'll be working anyway. The shop might be open anyway, so don't worry. Yeah. How cool is that? He will go with them to the party anyway. See, they're going to the party and he's going to the party, so they might as well go together. They're all going to be there anyway. They might as well go together. They might as well all go together. Because anyway, they will all be at the party. Separately or together. How cool is that? Yeah. So anyway, confirm a point or idea just mentioned. Yeah. Anyway will take you to the same building. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use anyway in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.